Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the course Introduction to Cellular Network. Our today's discussion will consist of GSM network area and specification of GSM. So let's start the today's discussion with the GSM network area. GSM network is divided into different sub-area services. Wise, let's see this area. You can see first is the area that is covered by the BTS, then location area, after that VLR, MSC service area, that is the area covered by the one MSC, and after that is the PLMN service area, that is the area covered by one operator network. Let's see the coverage area one by one. First this cell, you can see in this slide the smallest area of this division is cell. Cell is covered by a base transmission system, BTS. In one cell, there is one BTS which provide coverage inside a cell. And each cell identity is identified by CGI, cell global identity. Then different cells from a location area represent with LA. एक BSC लोकेशन एरिया LA बनता है and this location area LA is identified by location area identified LAI. For example, you can see in this figure LA1, LA2. Then together these different location area are make and mobile switching center MSC or visitor location registered VLR service area. एक MSC के एरिया को हम सर्विस एरिया कहते हैं. Then the different MSC together form and public landline mobile network service area. PLMN area specify the operator network coverage. It is the whole area of the operator in which the service are available are called the PLMN service area. In this way, we geographically distribute different service area. Let's discuss the specification of GSM. The uplink frequency range specified for GSM is 933 to 960 MHz, basic 900 MHz band only. The downlink frequency is 890 to 915 MHz, basic 900 MHz band only. Whereas in AMPS, total bandwidth available to us is 50 MHz. Next is duplex distance in GSM. Duplex distance in GSM is 80 MHz. What is duplex distance? In full duplex system, we assign two channels to one user. One is forward channel and other is reverse channel. The minimum difference of separation of reverse channel and a forward channel is term of frequency band is 80 MHz. Channel bandwidth is 200 kHz as compared to AMPS, which is 30 kHz. The modulation scheme used by GSM is Gaussian minimum shift key, also known as GMSK. We can transfer 270 kilobits per second data over the air. As it is a digital system, therefore we can specify this transfer rate over the air bits per second. Access method used by the GSM is TDMA, time division multiple access, whereas in AIMS, FDMA, frequency division multiple access is used as access method. The benefit of using TDMA is that 8 number of users can access a channel in the same time. We allocate a particular time slot to every user and user can only do transmission using its own assigned time slot. In AMPS, we only specify a forward and reverse channel, whereas in GSM, we not only allocate the voice channel but also allocate the frequency of voice channel and also allocate the time slot, that at which time slot and at which channel user has to do transmission. It means all the subscriber unit meet mobile set are synchronized with the base stations so that they follow the particular TDMA schedule. Speech coder used in GSM is linear predictive coding, also known as LPC, in which speed is encoding at 13 kilobits per second. The purpose of 13 kilobits per second is that we can send data at the speed of 13 kilobits per second. So that's it for today topic. Till the next topic, take care. Allah Hafiz.